చీఫ్ గారు వచ్చేసారు. చీఫ్ గారు వచ్చేసారు. చీఫ్ గారు వచ్చేసారు.
జడ్జెస్ అలర్ట్ ఉండండి.
With the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, we will commence the proceedings. Respected Sri Arup Kumar Goswamiji, Honorable Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Honorable Sri Justice Durga Prasad Rao, Administrative Judge of East Godavari District, and Honorable Sri Justice R. Raghunandan Rao, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Superintendent of Police and District Collector, East Godavari District. Today, we are assembled here through video conference to digitally inaugurate the Special Court for Trial of Offences under Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, Folks Act 2012 at Kakinada and East Godavari District. I request the respected President, Bar Association Kakinada, to deliver his welcome address on this occasion.
I, the President of the Bar Association Kakinada, on behalf of the members of Bar Association Kakinada, expressing my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh for allotting the POCSO court to this historic city of Kakinada, and we are feeling that it is our great fortune to have inauguration of this building for the functioning of POCSO court Kakinada with the golden hands of His Lordship Honorable Sri Arup Kumar Goswami Garu, Chief Justice of Andhra Pradesh, and I cordially invite His Lordship Sri Arup Kumar Goswami Garu. I also cordially invite Honorable Sri Justice Sri U. Durga Prasad Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge of this unit, East Godavari District. Further, I also cordially invite Son of the Soil, Honorable Sri Justice Raghunandan Rao Garu, Judge of High Court of Andhra Pradesh. I also cordially invite Srimati M. Babita Garu, Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, East Godavari, Rajahmundry. I request all the judicial officers and members of the Bar Association at Kakinada and other officials to make this digital inauguration function grand success. Thanking you, sir. Thanking you.
Now, I request the respected Principal District Judge, East Godavari, to give a brief report about the District Judiciary.
My humble pranamams to His Lordships Shri Arup Kumar Goswami Garu, Honorable Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Sri Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Administrative Judge of East Godavari Unit, Honorable Sri Justice Rao Raghurandan Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and good morning to all the other participants in this digital inauguration function. My lords, it is very great privilege to participate in this august function of inauguration of building for functioning of POCSO court at Kakinada. My lord, Kakinada is an ancient city in the state of Andhra Pradesh. The city itself grew into prominence in the past 300 years after the European settlers arrived here, and the British made it an administrative headquarters for the local area they ruled. And since then, the city of Kakinada is continuing as administrative headquarters of East Godavari district. The city is also having police headquarters of Superintendent of Police. My lords, District Court East Godavari was established in the year 1804. About 150 years ago, magistrate courts were established at Kakinada. The district court at Kakinada was started in the year 1983. My lords, in Kakinada at present, there are 3 additional district courts, 4 senior civil judges courts, 8 junior civil judges courts, 3 special judicial second class magistrate courts. Now, in addition to the above courts, as per the guidelines in order dated 25th July 2019, in sumoto writ petition criminal number 1 by 2019 of Honorable Supreme Court of India, the government of Andhra Pradesh sanctioned 8 special courts for speedy trial of offences under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012 in the state, including the Special Court for Speedy Trial of Offences under the POCSO Act 2012 at Kakinada as per GOMS number 121 dated 26 September 2019. The Honorable High Court in its ROC number 369 dated 30th September 2019 directed to secure headquarters to house the Special Court for Trial of Offences under the POCSO Act 2012 for functioning of the same from 2nd October 2019. The Honorable High Court issued proceedings in ROC number 734 dated 1st October 2019, placing the 3rd Additional District Judge Kakinada as full additional charge to the Special Courts for POCSO Act at Kakinada. And since 2nd October 2019, the POCSO Court at Kakinada started functioning in temporary accommodation. My lords, in compliance of the GO and on the requisitions made by the Judicial Department, the District Collector allotted the erstwhile R&B Executive Engineers Quarters building situated besides APRSA building near Collectorate Office Kakinada on rent-free accommodation and handed over the same to the Judicial Department by providing the entire infrastructure and furniture which is child-friendly whatsoever required for setting up of Special Court for POCSO at Kakinada. The Honorable High Court was pleased to post Sri L. Venkateshwar Rao Garu as Judge, Special Court for Trial of Offences under POCSO Act 2012 at Kakinada, for which act of kindness I am thankful to the Honorable High Court. My Lords, POCSO Court at Kakinada is also having a very heavy pendency. Further, a requisition was made to the District Collector for allotting site of Acres 1 for construction of permanent building, and it is under process, and I hope and trust the District Collector will also allot the same at the early date. It is very fortunate that the East Godavari district, because the Honorable Chief Justice has accepted for inauguration of POCSO Court at Kakinada. With this, I close my brief report, my lord. Namaste, my lord.
Now, I request the privilege of inviting Honorable Chief Justice Arup Kumar Goswami, the Chief Justice of High Court of Andhra Pradesh, to inaugurate the Special Court for Trial of Offences under Protection of Children from Sexual Offences POCSO Act at Kakinada, East Godavari District digitally. Please play a video. Court of Kakinada. Now, I have the honor to request Sri Justice R. Raghunandan Rauji to address on this occasion.
Arup Kumar Goswami, Honorable Chief Justice, Andhra Pradesh. Sri Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh and Administrative Judge, East Godavari District, Registrars of the Court, Principal District Judge Srimati Babita, the Judicial Officers of East Godavari District, members of the Bar Association, the Superintendent of Police, East Godavari District, and the Joint Collector, East Godavari District. And ladies and gentlemen, it is a privilege to be part of this inaugural function as the son of the soil. The establishment of a POCSO court is a step in the direction of strengthening the judicial infrastructure of the judiciary in East Godavari District, and also a step in ensuring speedy trials in offences against the vulnerable section, one of the most vulnerable section of society, that is children. I wish the bar and the presiding officer of this court the very best and hope that this court will ensure a speedy trial for offences against children. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Now, I have the honor to request the Honorable Sri Justice U. Durga Prasad Rauji, Administrative Judge of East Godavari District, to deliver his lordship.
Chief Guest of today's function and Honorable the Chief Justice Sri Arup Kumar Goswami, son of the soil and my esteemed brother Sri Rao Raghunandan Rao, Judge High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Registars of the High Court, Principal District Judge East Godavari District, Babita, other judicial officers of the unit, Superintendent of Police, Kakinada, and Joint Collector, Kakinada. Today, being the administrative judge of the East Godavari District, I am immensely happy that through the golden hands of Honorable the Chief Justice, the court building earmarked for the trial of offences under POCSO Act has just been inaugurated in the august presence of my esteemed brother Raghunandan Rao, other officers. The district judge was informing me that as of now, 591 cases are awaiting trial, which come under the jurisdiction of this POCSO court. With the inauguration of this court, I hope and trust that speedy justice can be rendered to those who richly deserve it. Thus, as put it by our brother, the vulnerable section is the minor children, early girls. Therefore, every endeavor has to be made by all the stakeholders, police, prosecution, the court, and also the witnesses to see that and most importantly, the advocate association, bar association, to see that the cases are tried smoothly, speedily. There is no need to emphasize the fact that this POCSO court and offences are very sensitive, and we would owe a responsibility to see that trial is taking place without any hitch. On this momentous occasion, I must convey my heartiest regards and thanks to Honorable the Chief Justice. When some time back, I was bringing to the notice of Honorable the Chief Justice that though POCSO court was earmarked East Godavari District, there was no regular officer. His Lordship took it seriously, and during the recent transfers and posting, His Lordship saw that an independent officer is posted exclusively for this court to conduct the trial. On this occasion, I thank His Lordship for his generous gesture. Again, I thank His Lordship for his good gesture that when I was telling that the government have earmarked a building for housing the POCSO court and it is awaited inauguration, Lordship readily agreed to inaugurate it to his golden hands. On behalf of all of us, thank His Lordship for being with us to inaugurate this building, and I'm also thankful to one and all who have rendered their services to make this function a grand success. My special thanks on behalf of the judiciary to the government for allocating a building for conducting the trials. Thanking you all.
Now, I request the Honorable Chief Justice to deliver the inaugural letters.
My esteemed colleagues in the bench, Brother Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao and Brother Justice Raghunandan Rao, Registrar General, M. Babita, Principal District Judge, East Godavari, Yellow Subramanian, President, Bar Association, Kakinada, members of the Bar Association, members of the judicial fraternity, representatives of the district administration, officers and staff of district judiciary, representatives of media, both print and electronic, ladies and gentlemen present. I'm not too sure whether I have specifically mentioned about judicial officers, but they are always backbone of the judiciary, and I acknowledge their presence in this gathering. Last couple of days, I had the good fortune and privilege of digitally inaugurating a couple of courts, buildings for the residential accommodation of the district officers. And today also, I am participating in this event of digital inauguration of the Cox Court. Like the other events that have taken place in the last fortnight related to inauguration, this also I have to do digitally. It would have been a great pleasure for me if I could have gone there physically, take part in the proceedings, and meet you all there in this joyous occasion. But due to reasons beyond my control, it could not happen. And therefore, we have to settle for this digital inauguration. I am told that Kakinada Bar Association kept a history and is going to celebrate 150 years the next year. I think, if I'm not mistaken, 12th of June 2022. Already centenary celebration has taken place in the year 1980. Yes, I believe the momentous achievement for any association. I am also told that quite a large number of learned counsel practicing in the court have achieved excellence, not only in the legal profession, but also when they ventured out and took leadership in various aspects in life. They have been representatives to the elected government and so on and so forth. So when you have that rich legacy and tradition, in this occasion, I only need to emphasize the younger members of the bar that they should try to follow the footsteps of their illustrious predecessors and maintain the heritage, the rich legacy in their days to come, so that the Kakinada Bar Association contributes to the growth of the district judiciary, because there is no gainsaying the fact that it is the lawyers, the legal community, which propels and supports the growth of the district judiciary, or for that matter, entire justice delivery mechanism. After the inauguration of this court, I do hope that a long-standing need felt by all the stakeholders would be mitigated to a great extent, and all concerned. My request is see to it that the purpose for which the act was envisioned is implemented in letter and spirit. Thank you very much. Thank you for participating in this event. Thank you so much once again. Jai Hind.
Now, I request our additional district judge, Kakinada, to propose vote of thanks.
Namaste, my lords. A warm and grateful morning and humble pranams to our most valued Honorable Chief Justice, His Lordship Arup Kumar Goswami Garu, Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Sri Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Administrative Judge of the Unit of East Godavari, Honorable Sri Justice R. Raghurandan Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Srimati M. Babita Garu, Honorable Principal District Judge, East Godavari, and other participants who have participated in this digital inaugural function. It is my immense presence to deliver vote of thanks for this inaugural function to all the dignitaries assembled here. I would like to express my profound gratitude to our Honorable Chief Justice, His Lordship Arup Kumar Goswami Garu, Chief Justice, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, for inaugurating Poxo Court at Kakinada, East Godavari, in spite of their Lordship's busy schedule. I would like to acknowledge Honorable Justice U. Durga Prasad Rao Garu, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, and Administrative Judge of Unit of East Godavari for being part of this inaugural session and imparting valuable messages. I would like to express my sincere thanks to Honorable Justice Rao Raghurandan Rao Garu, Judge, High Court of Andhra Pradesh, the son of soil, for participating in the inaugural session. I would like to express thanks to Srimati M. Babita Garu, Honorable Principal District and Session Judge, East Godavari, for participating in the inaugural session. I would like to thank other participants who have honored this function for making this function a grand success. I once again thank one and all present here. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much, sir. Namaste, my lords.
With the permission of Honorable Chief Justice, I declare that the inaugural function is concluded.